biases that might have crept into your data or your models. Remember, AI systems are trained on data, and that data reflects the real-world warts and all. We're talking about things like demographic representation in your data, potential biases in your algorithms, and the potential impact your AI might have on different groups of people. Fairness is non-negotiable. We need to make sure your AI is promoting fairness and equity in its decision-making. All right, let's talk scalability. Your AI system might be crushing it now, but can it handle the big leagues? Can it grow and adapt as your needs change? We're talking about things like handling increasing amounts of data, handling more complex tasks, and doing it all without breaking a sweat. This is where things like cloud computing and efficient algorithms come into play. You've got to make sure your AI infrastructure can scale to meet the demands of the future. Think of it like this. You're building a rocket ship, not just a car. You're aiming for the stars with your AI, and that means building something that can handle the journey. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, security and privacy. With AI handling increasingly sensitive information, we need to make sure your systems are locked down tight. We're talking about protecting your AI models from attacks, securing your data from unauthorized access, and making sure you're complying with all those privacy regulations. This means implementing robust security measures at every level, from data encryption to access controls. We've got to keep your AI safe from those bad actors out there. Remember, trust is everything in the world of AI, and that trust starts with a commitment to security and privacy. And that's a wrap on our 5-minute AI engineering audit. Hopefully this quick checkup helped you identify any areas where your AI systems might need a little TLC. Remember, building and deploying AI is an ongoing journey. It's all about continuous improvement, regular checkups, and making sure your AI is firing on all cylinders. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to catch more quick checks, deep dives, and everything AI. See you in the next one.